Have you ever accidentally deleted important files from your USB drive or external hard drive and felt that instant wave of panic? Maybe it was vacation photos, a work document, or videos you can never recreate. I've been there. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get those files back in just a few clicks. I'm going to be walking you through a tool called RecoveryFox AI, and yes, it's as powerful as it sounds. It uses AI to recover deleted, lost, or even formatted files from pretty much any storage device. Let's get into it. First things first, let's get the software. Head over to the link in the description below. The download is completely free to start, and installation is straightforward. Just run the installer and follow the on-screen steps. It's a Windows app, so make sure you're on a Windows PC. Once it's installed, go ahead and open RecoveryFox AI. You'll see a clean, simple interface, nothing overwhelming here. Now, before we move on, if you want to unlock the full recovery features, I've got an exclusive 15% discount just for you. Use coupon code DIGITAL15 at checkout. I'll drop that in the description too. Now plug in your external hard drive, USB flash drive, or SD card, whichever device has your lost files. For this demo, I'm using a USB drive formatted as NTFS, which RecoveryFox AI handles perfectly. One important tip before we go further. Stop using the device immediately once you realize files are missing. The more you write new data to it, the harder it becomes to recover what was lost. So plug it in and do nothing else with it. Back in RecoveryFox AI, you'll see all your connected drives listed right on the main screen. Click on your external drive. In my case, it's showing up as the USB drive here. Then hit scan. RecoveryFox AI will start its AI-powered deep scan. What makes this different from regular recovery tools is that the AI actively analyzes file signatures and structures, which is why it boasts a 98% recovery success rate and supports over 500 file formats, photos, videos, documents, you name it. This part takes a few minutes depending on the size of your drive. My recommendation? Let it run all the way to 100%. Don't interrupt it. The longer it scans, the better your results. Alright, the scan is done. And look at this. RecoveryFox AI has found a bunch of recoverable files. Now here's where it gets really handy. You don't have to scroll through everything. Use the filter options on the left to narrow things down by file type, document, photos, audio, videos, configuration file, and others. Date modified, so you can find files from a specific time. File type, useful if you're hunting for large video files. File size and the details. I'm going to filter by images here. And there they are. My deleted photos are showing up in the preview panel. I can actually click on any file to preview it before recovering it. That way, I know exactly what I'm getting back. This preview feature is huge. It saves you from recovering a ton of junk files you didn't need. Now, select the files you want to bring back. You can check individual files or select all of them at once. Hit recover, and here's something critical. Save the recovered files to a different drive than the one you're recovering from. Never recover back to the same device. In my case, I'm saving them to my desktop. And just like that, my files are back. Took less than 5 minutes total. So to recap what RecoveryFox AI can do for you. Recover from external hard drives, SSDs, USB drives, SD cards, cameras, and more. 98% recovery success rate powered by AI. Supports 500 plus file formats. Preview files before recovering them. Smart filters to find exactly what you need. Whether you accidentally deleted files, formatted the wrong drive, or your storage device got corrupted, RecoveryFox AI has you covered. Data loss is stressful, but it doesn't have to be permanent. RecoveryFox AI makes recovery simple, fast, and reliable, even for non-tech people. The download link is in the description below. It's free to start. And don't forget to use my exclusive coupon code DIGITAL15 to get 15% off when you're ready to unlock the full version. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.